Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of feeling like you're stuck in a fog every time you step out of the shower, with a bathroom that's more like a steam room than a serene oasis? Well, I've got the solution for you, and it's the Broan-NuTone 744 recessed light ventilation fan. This game-changing fan is not only a stylish addition to any bathroom, but it's also incredibly functional, with a centrifugal fan that's whisper quiet, producing only 1.5 sonas of sound, which is basically the equivalent of a gentle hum in the background. The modern design of this fan is also trim-matched to designs of major recessed light manufacturers, giving it a sleek and seamless look that's sure to complement any bathroom decor. And with its easy setup, you can have it up and running in no time, enjoying the warm glow of its LED lights, which use a 75-watt bulb, either R30 or BR30 for standard applications. This fan is also extremely practical, with a 6.87-inch high housing that fits perfectly in new construction and 2x8 ceiling joists, allowing for easy installation where you need it most. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed, as it provides a superior ventilation experience that leaves your bathroom feeling fresh and clean, with no lingering fog or moisture. Whether you're looking to upgrade your current ventilation system or install a new one, this fan is the perfect choice, and with its optional wall controls, you can easily adjust the settings to your liking. So why settle for a subpar ventilation system when you can have the best? Get your Broan-NuTone 744 recessed light ventilation fan today and start enjoying a cleaner, healthier bathroom. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.